Hello, Dr. Oz. It's Dr. Whitney. I'm here in New York City. I'm actually at a dollar store, and I'm doing a little investigation. I'm looking at different beauty products for the skin, the hair, the nails. I want to see which ones are safe to get and which ones may not be worth the bargain. We certainly don't want to put our health at risk. So I'm loading up my basket here, and I will let you know what I find.
Today we're investigating dollar store beauty products. Dermatologist Whitney Bowe is here with what she's uncovered. I never knew there were so many beauty products in these dollar stores. How many products can there be for hair and skin in a dollar store?
I found a surprisingly large variety of beauty products at the dollar store. I found products ranging from eyeshadow to makeup remover. There was hair dye, shampoo, there was body lotion, shaving cream. I even found face masks.
So how does the dollar store actually do that? These products are sort of expensive in general. How can you get it to $1? Is it really $1?
As you might suspect, first of all, some of them are made on the cheap. You know, some of them are made using maybe not the highest quality ingredients, right? But there are a few gems if you know what to look for. And that's an excellent point. You know, when I was looking around the dollar store, not everything costs $1. You know, some of them range all the way up to $4, $5.99. But I think in general, the way that these stores are able to keep the prices so low is that they're basically stocking up on brands that don't have that name recognition, right? So you're not paying for that brand name and you're not paying for the marketing campaign behind that very well-recognized brand name.
But you're also not getting the trust, which is why I'm curious. Because I thought there are probably some things that are worth getting, some that are not. So we look at all the dollar store beauty products, and Dr. Bowe is going to tell us if they're a pick or a pass. So you can still take advantage of these deals. My go-to tester, Renata's here to try out the first item, which is trending all over the internet.
Hello, hello.
These are these beauty blending sponges. I'll admit this, Renata, I don't actually get a lot of hair and makeup, at least in my life I hadn't until I started the show. Now 10 years later, I'm getting a little better at it. But I see some artists using these little bundles. I thought they were the cool little toys initially. Then they started putting their toys on my face. So have you used these before?
Well, yeah. I mean, these are all the rage when you want to get that makeup on right.
So these things can be pretty pricey in regular stores.
Yeah, well, they can cost up to $25 at, you know, certain beauty stores. So, you know, looking here, we're not telling you, Renata, which one is the $25 one versus which one's the $1 one at the dollar store.
Okay.
But if you're looking, I mean, quite honestly, it's almost impossible to tell them apart, right? They both have very similar shapes. You want to take that one? You can take that one. I'll give you that one. They have very similar shapes. You know, they're made of very similar, feel the material, very similar material to give you that flawless finish that you're looking for, right? So yeah, first you want to get them wet. So you want to do it with me?
Yeah.
So we'll get them
We're supposed
really
to wet them first?
You want to
you
wet
gotta
them
them
first, and then you give it a good squeeze. So you want to get it damp. And then what you do is you take, so it's got two different ends, right? Take the wider or broader end. You want to dab it in the foundation there. And then you're going to, instead of using the way that you would use your fingers or a brush, you sort of wipe, this you want to press the makeup into the skin. So is it okay if I demo on your beautiful? Okay, you got it.
Below. Yes, don't get too high now.
What you want to do is you want to use like a bouncing, a tapping, a dabbing motion to actually press that makeup into the skin.
Punching motion. I like that idea.
A punching motion. I didn't say punching.
She's like a sister.
I don't remember that.
Let me get yours.
You can use that tapered side.
Ow! She did that on purpose. And what's the side? What's the pointed part for?
It shouldn't be dangerous.
Yeah.
So the pointed part gets into those hard to reach places like the sides of your nose or underneath your eye.
Yeah, you want to get in the corners.
Oh, sharp.
Exactly. No, it's not. I'm not hurting you. Right there. Yeah.
All right. So both of someone who can apply them to yourself. You just compared these two. Which one do you think is better? Is there a difference, first of all?
Yeah, the purple and the green one.
But these are the same company, and this is one. So which is which?
So this is the $25, and that is the $1.
Oh, I like those.
Right? Almost impossible.
So the beauty blending sponge is a pick. It's a pick.
Absolutely.
Nice job.
Yeah.
That'll save some money. $25 versus one.
That's a fine.
All right.
Exactly.
Now next, how about these? The dollar store face masks. I've been seeing these things. They're a huge trend, as you know. I was in an airport. I saw a lady walking around the airport with one.
Really?
Right? But they've been in grocery stores, planes. These are real pictures posted about. So, Whitney, what do you think about these? What ingredients did you find?
Well, so in the masks that I found at the dollar store, they actually contained an ingredient that was named allergen of the year in
wow.
2004 because it caused so many cases of skin inflammation and irritation.
Wow.
So the name of the ingredient is cocamidopropylbutane.
You say that.
Say it 3 times.
Oh, I got it. Cocamidopropylbutane.
Oh my gosh, she
Oh
actually
my goodness, you got it.
got that.
I
She
mean, my
nailed
name is
that.
Renata, so I have to get it right.
That was amazing. So cocamidopropylbutane is a detergent. So it's what sort of gives like body lotions or body washes or shampoos that sort of foamy, rich, bubbly lather. And unfortunately, in this mask, cocamidopropylbutane was listed as the 3rd ingredient on the ingredient list, so it's in there in a pretty high concentration.
Right.
So for me, guys, those are red flags.
Right.
So so the dollar store face masks, they're a pass because you got to be sure that what's in there is what you want to have in your face.
No cocamidopropylbutane.
Okay.
No.
Oh, God, that woman. Gosh, that woman. Got it.
That was awesome.
I love show-offs. It's just
Like
fantastic.
3 years of residency
Exactly.
to get that down. She
All that
just, like,
tuition. I wasted
rolls off
4
her
years of
tongue.
med school for
Right?
nothing.
Man, yeah.
All right. Dollar store foundation. Is it a pick or a pass? Renata, thoughts on this? Would you try a foundation that you bought at a dollar store?
No. To think that the dollar store might have something that's good enough to go all over this face,
No.
okay? And not irritated?
It's $1 million face.
Exactly. Hello.
So, Dr. Whit, you examined this,
Yep,
Dr. Bowe.
I did. I took a look at all of these. And, as a dermatologist, I'm trained to sort of look at the ingredients, which ones are going to clog pores. Unfortunately, your instincts were correct, Renata. Even more worrisome than that, is it possible that this bottle is sitting in a hot warehouse somewhere, for days or weeks? And if so, it can turn this bottle into a petri dish and grow up a whole bunch of germs. So, I would not feel
Dr. Bowe, come over here. I made a little illustration to make sure this really sinks in for everybody. So I made you all a massive bottle of foundation. There it is, your foundation, right? Now, in some cases, you pointed out, it could be sitting in a warm warehouse for we don't know how long.
Right.
And over time, what happens is the combination of the warmth plus the liquid base of the foundation can provide a perfect breeding ground for bacteria. And those purpley bacteria grow in there. You can't tell.
Right.
Some of them might irritate you. Some you can get away with. But why take a chance on something that, as Renata said, if you got $1 million faces, don't put a cheap foundation on there. So the dollar store foundation is a pass. Not a pick, a pass. Coming up, the dollar store beauty bargains that makeup artists and dermatologists like to both swear by. Right? You love these things. They can be spilling their secrets. Stick around. We are back investigating dollar store beauty products, and I asked makeup artists and dermatologists to spill their ultimate beauty secrets that you can buy at the dollar store. Dermatologist Whitney Bowe is back along with my go-to tester, Renata. The first dollar store beauty secret to stock up on is shimmering eyeshadow. Why do you like the shimmering eyeshadow at dollar stores?
I love shimmering eyeshadow at a dollar store because you can easily transform it into a shimmering body lotion. So it's great for that girls' night out if you just want a little extra sparkle, a little extra glow. And if you go online or you go to the department store, shimmering body oil, shimmering body lotions, they can range from $20 to $50 for a small tube. So this is such a great way to save a couple bucks.
So how do we make it? What do you?
So easy. So what you want to do is you want to start with your favorite lotion. Take a couple pumps, put that into a jar. I'm using a glass jar here. And then this is why you don't want to spend a lot of money on the shimmering eyeshadow part. You're going to take that eyeshadow. You can either use bronze, you can use like a pearly white, depending on if you're going for sort of like a bronzy glow or a little bit of a highlight or shimmer. And what you do is you take a fork. A fork, and make sure you got a piece of paper underneath.
I bet you're putting it on your skin.
So wait,
Yes, you are.
The first step is you're gonna collect, you're gonna break down some of those particles, collect them onto your piece of paper, and then you use that like a funnel, and you basically collect it, and then you get it into your lotion. Stir that around. We actually pre-mixed 2 different ones for you, so you can try it out. And you basically then just apply that to your arms, your legs. You can put some on your cheekbone as a little highlighter
It gets soft
on your collarbone.
when you mix it in the
it does,
cream.
and it breaks it down. It's a very subtle glow. It gives you a subtle shimmer. Now, I wouldn't use dollar store eyeshadow on my face every day, right? But once a month for that special night out, if you want to have that beautiful shimmering body glow.
I'm shimmering. Renata, I'm shimmering.
It's very subtle.
What do you think?
I love it.
This is awesome.
Right? Isn't this great?
Let me tell you why. If I want to fake a beach photo shoot, this is what I need right here. Some body shimmering from the dollar store.
Yeah, instead of spending $50,
Yes.
you can make your own.
Exactly.
It's in. All right, next tip comes from the makeup artist who does the glam for Beyonce and the Kardashians. Take a look.
Hey guys, I'm here to share with you a couple of dollar store beauty products that are a must to stock up on. The first one is hair conditioner. Hair conditioner is a great alternative to shaving cream if you're ever in a pinch. What you want to do is pour out the conditioner, lather on your legs, and shave like normal. It is a great beauty bargain that will leave your legs feeling soft and smooth. Okay, next, if you're looking to moisturize and give your lips a little bit of color, get yourself some dollar store chapstick and make an awesome lip tint. What I personally like to do is get a makeup palette, like so, and I've crushed my favorite blush. And here's a dollar store chapstick, which I mixed both of them in the middle. I apply it with the back of my finger. And as you can tell, I have a nice flush of color that looks natural, and it's so inexpensive.
The next beauty bargain can give you a 5-minute manicure. 5 minutes, they're called nail stickers. Why do you like these more than those gel manicures I see everyone using these days?
I mean, I know why gel manicures are so popular, right? They give you that durability, that long-lasting wear, and they give you that incredible shine. But my patients who do gel manicure after gel manicure, you know, eventually your nails are thin and they're weak and they're brittle. So I say you gotta take a nail salon holiday. You gotta take a break. Right. But most of my patients don't want to go without some kind of, you know, bling, some kind of polish. So nail stickers or little decals, so much fun, a great alternative.
Okay.
Are they tattoos? What are they? How do they work?
Yeah, so what you do is first you want to just take like some scissors and you just cut around the way that, see how these are cut into little, you don't have to worry about getting it perfectly around there because you're gonna be putting it in water anyway. They come with this little plastic sort of coating on top, so you want to take that off. You can use some tweezers if you want to get a little extra fine motor control, Dr. Oz.
Yes.
And then the
Scalpel.
stick here, so if you guys see my little sticker here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wave this in the water because you want to get it really wet. So that's the trick. And all these stickers work differently. Some of them do work more like temporary tattoos. The best way to do these is you get them really, really wet. And then you want to take your finger, do this with me, Renata. Let's see if we can do it. And you want to try to actually press them and glide them off. So I don't know if you can see that. Mine came right off. And then you want to press it onto a clean, dry nail. So here's where your tweezers might come in if you're not able to get. And can you guys see that on my nail? Right? So then.
Very nice, Dr. Oz. We're matching.
Oh, fabulous.
That's easy.
Very
That's simple.
nice.
What do you think about them?
Cheers with our little nail stickers. Amazing. I love it.
I love this because I'm not one to actually wear nail polish, but to do these stickers every now and then on all my fingers without having to, you know, get chipped because of the nail polish and
Exactly.
all. This is awesome. I like
So
this.
much fun.
Yeah.
I gotta say, I'm gonna start wearing these. I like these. I'm gonna impress my daughters. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.